Is this a video of Maggie eating breakfast? Big sister's helping you out with some noises. Yummy, yummy. Oh, is that yummy? Do you like that? Do you like that? Oh. You sure like food. You want some more? One more bite? Oh, good one. Sweet potatoes and oatmeal might not be everybody's cup of tea. Oh, is that yummy?
Done.
Can you say yum, yum?
Yummy, yum.
Edward. Hey, Maggie. Maggie. Hi. Can you say yummy? Yummy.